My name is Tony Jones and I work here at Jensen Shoes, and today we're going to go over putting arch supports inside shoes. Basically, there are several sizes of arch supports that we have. I'm thinking in my brain, I don't remember seeing any arch supports in stores. We have to order them from a place out in north, and we get a bunch of them. So basically we do it all day. You look in the middle right here, in the center of the arch, which is, for me, is easy to see. And most people won't be able to see it. I see it all the time. I see it all day. I know exactly where the center is. I'll line it up right here and put it on exactly like that. What I would do is just probably just draw a line right here. Put glue on right here, rubber cement on both sides, and I wait till it dries and I stick it together. I do that with the insert. When the insert does not come out, and I'll find the right size arch support. I'll be putting it in the shoe. It's just a little different. You have to find a spot when you take a step right here. This is where you want the very end. It's like here on the inside. The very end is going to be right here in the very bottom of the shoe. That's where you're going to start with the point. What I do is I'll line the point up, the arch up, and I'll stick it right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'll be sticking it right there. And the difference between putting it on with the insert is that when I put glue on this arch, I will be sticking it in here wet. So I won't wait till it dries. When it's dry, as soon as you stick it together, it's going to stick. But when you put it in there wet, you can move it around, kind of like it. Just stick a rubber cement right there. I'm just gobbing on there. It's because I want it on both of them. I stick it in there wet. Find a spot because I can move it around because it's not sticking yet because it's not dry. Move it around and I just stick it there and hold it there, and it will dry up as you hold it on. You only have to hold it for a few minutes and it'll stick right in the spot. Basic way how we do arch supports in shoes.